Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the top 10 future predictions for Bitcoin that you absolutely need to know. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just getting started, these insights will help you stay ahead of the curve. Bitcoin has been on an absolute roller coaster over the past few years, and its future is still uncertain. Some people think it's going to zero, while others believe it's going to replace all fiat currencies. We're going to look at some of the most talked about predictions from experts and see how they could impact the future of finance. I'm talking about potential regulations, mainstream adoption, and even the environmental impact of this revolutionary technology. So, if you're ready to unlock the secrets of Bitcoin's future, grab a notebook, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive right in. First up, we've got Bitcoin hitting $100,000. I know, you've probably heard this one before, but seriously, when you look at the scarcity of Bitcoin, only 21 million coins will ever exist. And the increasing institutional adoption, it's not that far-fetched. Big players like Tesla and MicroStrategy have already added Bitcoin to their balance sheets. As more companies jump on board, that demand could send the price skyrocketing. Think about it, just a couple of years ago, Bitcoin at $10,000 seemed crazy. Now it's like the baseline. So, $100,000? It's definitely within the realm of possibility. Okay, now let's talk about the elephant in the room regulation. Governments around the world are starting to take notice of Bitcoin, and they're not exactly thrilled about the lack of control they have over it. We're already seeing countries like China cracking down on crypto. The big question is, will these regulations stifle Bitcoin's growth or legitimize it in the eyes of traditional investors? Time will tell. But one thing's for sure, regulation is coming and it's going to have a major impact on the future of Bitcoin. Imagine walking into your local coffee shop and paying for your latte with Bitcoin. That's the future that many are predicting, and honestly, it's not that far off. We're already seeing companies like PayPal and Square dipping their toes into the crypto waters, making it easier for everyday people to buy, sell, and use Bitcoin. As more businesses start accepting Bitcoin, it'll become more convenient than ever. And let's be real, convenience is king. The easier it is to use, the more people will adopt it. The tech behind Bitcoin is constantly evolving. We're talking faster transaction speeds, lower fees, and even more secure networks. One of the biggest advancements on the horizon is the Lightning Network, which could potentially solve Bitcoin's scalability issues and make it a viable option for everyday transactions. Imagine being able to send Bitcoin across the world instantly with almost zero fees. That's the power of these technological advancements. These improvements could make Bitcoin even more attractive to both individuals and businesses. Now let's address the elephant in the room: Bitcoin's environmental impact. Mining Bitcoin requires a lot of energy, and that's something that can't be ignored. But here's the thing, the Bitcoin community is actively working on solutions. We're seeing a shift towards renewable energy sources for mining, and developers are exploring more energy-efficient consensus mechanisms. Remember, Bitcoin is still in its early stages, and as it matures, we can expect to see more sustainable practices emerge. Bitcoin might be the king of crypto, but there are thousands of other cryptocurrencies out there, and some of them are gunning for the throne. Ethereum, Cardano, Solana, these are just a few of the altcoins with the potential to disrupt the market. These newer cryptocurrencies often boast faster transaction speeds, lower fees, and innovative features that Bitcoin doesn't have. While Bitcoin is unlikely to disappear, it will need to continue to innovate and adapt to stay ahead of the competition. Imagine a world where you can seamlessly move your Bitcoin into your bank account or use it to pay your mortgage. Sounds crazy, right? Well, it might not be as far-fetched as you think. Traditional financial institutions are starting to realize they can't ignore Bitcoin forever. We're already seeing banks like JP Morgan and Goldman Sachs offering crypto services to their clients. As the lines between traditional finance and crypto continue to blur, it'll become easier than ever to integrate Bitcoin into our everyday lives. Let's face it, Bitcoin is known for its wild price swings. One day it's up 20%, the next it's down 30%. And honestly, that volatility is unlikely to disappear anytime soon. But here's the thing, volatility can be your friend if you know how to handle it. It creates opportunities for savvy investors to buy low and sell high. Of course, it's crucial to remember that with high rewards come high risks. As Bitcoin becomes more valuable and more widely adopted, it's going to become an even bigger target for hackers. But don't worry, the Bitcoin community is constantly working on ways to enhance security. We're talking about things like multi-signature wallets, hardware wallets, and even more advanced cryptographic techniques. These security enhancements will be crucial in protecting investors' funds and maintaining trust in the Bitcoin network. Bitcoin has the potential to completely revolutionize the way we think about money. We're talking about a decentralized global currency that's not controlled by any government or financial institution. This could have a major impact on everything from international trade to foreign aid. Imagine a world where you can send money across borders instantly with minimal fees. That's the power of Bitcoin. So, there you have it, the top 10 future predictions for Bitcoin. Which one do you think is most likely to come true? Let me know in the comments below. Whether Bitcoin reaches $100,000, becomes the world's reserve currency, or just continues to be a popular investment, one thing's for sure, it's going to be an exciting ride. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, so none of this is financial advice. This is just my opinion based on my own research. Always do your own research and invest responsibly. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more updates on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. See you in the next video.